Hello dear friends, hope you all are well. I am Minhaj from ITC 360. In this video, I am going to show you to use Google Translate app and get some extra benefit from this app. So alright, let's start. So first you have to install this app from Play Store. Okay, just then click install icon and install this app, and if you already installed it, then click open. Okay, so firstly you have to go to setting and just tap to translate option and enable it. And if you want to show notification on your notification bar, then just enable this button. Okay, so select prefer language and just select what language you want to translate. Alright, then get back from this setting and minimize this app. Then open a book or text that you want to translate to another language. Okay, so I'm going to show how it works. So firstly you have to select some text that you want to translate it your desired language. So in this time you just have to select some text that you translate and just copy it. See this floating translate icon and just touch on it. Okay, see its work. It will be translated to your selected language. Also you can change language from here, and you also play your voice. Here you also listen this text by selecting this icon. Just select it and listen the text. Okay, you just listening, but my sound was muted, that's why you can't hear it from here. You just select and hear this voice in your phone. Okay, see, it will translate it. Alright, let's see some other features. So here we back to this app and just click camera icon and scan a text to translate. So I just select my book to translate it in Bengali. So just hold on this book to translate, and when it translates clearly, just pause translate. Okay, so see this view and understand how it works. So here you also scan this whole text and just translate it. See, just click the arrow and see this translation. It will be translated to your selected language, and you also use import to get from your gallery photos and select this whole text to translate. Look, it also will be translated to your selected language. Okay, you also change here the language to see your translation. Okay, you also download language to translate offline. Here you just select this pen icon to write something. See how it works. Write as you want to translate and select this voice icon to say something. Look, here you can make conversation with two different kinds of language as you wish. Just you have to select this conversation icon to make a conversation with two different languages. So let's select it and do it. Okay, so you have to select a primary language to talk it, and I just select Bengali to talk, and it will be translated in English. So you have to select this recording icon to say something and it will be translated in English. Okay, so see how it works, and you can also copy it from here. All you need to do, you just have to need an internet connection to do all that thing. Okay, so you also get phrase book by click star marks. So guys, it's all about to get some exciting features in this app. I just tried to share all the features with you. If you guys like this video, do like, comment and share with your friends, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe.